Hello guys, so for today's video, I will show you or teach you how to put a Google Map in your own website. So this is our Chrome, our page. So this is our code. So I'm using right now a Node++ for our tutorial. So we need a code for this to work our website with Google Map. So first we need a H1. And let's say my Google Map. Then hit save. Then let's check if it works. So refresh here. So it works. So it was reflected our code to Google Chrome. So next, let's have another code for this time division. So inside division, there's another code division again. Okay. So let's put a ID. Proper. Then we need to create a CSS or cascading style sheet. So style. So as you can see, there is a word wrapper here in our document HTML. So inside style, we need to get this proper code to style. So in order to do that, we just simply type proper. Okay, we have a style already and save it. And let's check here in our Google Chrome. Refresh, so it was reflected our background color light blue here in Google Chrome. So let's have another code. ID map for our map. Then we go to our style. Same process. Map. So let's put map here on style. 700 pixel. Say, background color, let's say gray. And margin 30 or 30 pixel photo. Hit save. Then let's check here. Refresh. So it was reflected. So next step, we need to put a Google Map here. So in order to do that, we need a code for that. So JavaScript, our code. Script. Then inside the word script, we have a Y and C differ source. So our goal is to put a Google Map in our website. So https slash map dot Google APA. So we need a Google APA in order to reflect the Google Map in our website. So APA is .com slash map slash APA slash JavaScript question mark key. So we need the APA key for this tutorial. APA equal callback equal init. Map save. So everything's alright. Another script launch script and save, refresh. So for this time, no reflection of our Google Map. Just wait a minute. Let's add another script for this time. Alert launch script. Let's put the alert for our website. Alert. Welcome. Google. And save. Let's see if it's worked. So it works. Welcome to my Google Maps. So as I written here, as I code here, welcome to my Google Map. So reflected here in our website. There's an alert, welcome to my Google Map. Then click OK. So let's continue. So we need another code in order to reflect in the Google Map in our website. So another code here. So script, another script. Script and function. we need a function code. Function. Then, as you can see here, there's a word initmap. So, in order to get the API Google Map, we need to put initmap in our script function here. So, initmap. Initmap. Constant. Then coordinates. Coordinates is the position of our map in our website. Coordinates. So our coordinates is latitude 14,596. Then our longitude 120 point, let's say 958. Longitude constant map equal new google.maps, then capital M. Then we need to get the ID here on document HTML into JavaScript. So we need the code document that get element. We need to get the element from the HTML into JavaScript. So we need the code document get element by ID. Element by ID. So inside here, we just simply type map. So here map, reflected here map. So we already get the element ID of HTML document into JavaScript code here map. So let's continue. So we need to center our map here. So we just simply type the code, enter, then chords. Then soon 7. And then close. Then save. Let's see it works. So nothing happened. So we need a API for this. So I have already API here. I am just copy it, copy, then paste here. Here, key, API key. Okay. Then save. Refresh. So nothing happened again. So let's see what is the problem. Map. Initmap callback equal init. I think the problem is here. So let's double check. Function initmap constant chords equal Google Map. I see there's a wrong grammar or wrong spelling here for document. So let's change document. Okay, then save. Then let's check if our Google Maps is reflected in our website. So let's see. Refresh. So nothing happened again. So let's debugging. Let's double check document that get element by ID map coordinate. Okay, there's another error. Just add. Then save. Let's see, it's worked. Nothing happened again. Function init map. Constant chords equal constant map equal google.maps.map. Document get element by ID map equals so there's another wrong spelling here. I see. The right is SRC. So for this time, I think it's worked. Let's save. Then let's see here. Refresh. So nothing happened again. So let's another debugging. So let's see another. What is the problem here? Oh, I see. So there's a wrong code here. So instead period, and save. And let's see. Now it works. So it works, guys. So we already have a Google Map in our website. So okay, works finally. So our wrong here a moment ago is period. So let's see period. Save. Then let's go back. So it doesn't work. As you can see, guys. So our mistake or wrong code is the period. And yes, it's worked finally. Save. Then go back here. Refresh. So it's already worked, guys. And this is our tutorial on how Google Map place it in our own website. So thank you very much. God bless.